More than 350 years ago, a famous scientist and mathematician named Isaac Newton found the equations and formulas that, when all put together, we call calculus.
Calculus is everywhere around us. You may see it, or you may not, but it is there. It is heavily used in almost every STEM field. You know why? Because it is the language of the universe.
Why did you decide to take calculus?
Because I needed the credit for my college engineering degree. Personally, I found love for calculus when we started learning about derivatives because it gave me a new way of thinking which I can apply to my life now.
Calculus is a very interesting subject. There are many different topics and applications of these topics in this field, which is why it is split up into 2 semester-long courses.
The jump from algebra to calculus is a much harder switch to make than the jump from arithmetic to algebra. This is because of the sheer new dump of information, especially in calculus AB. So what you need to do is stay calm. You need to watch videos whenever you feel like you need to. You need to work together with friends. And also a good piece of advice is to develop a good conceptual understanding while also understanding the small details analytically.
Most people will get a 5 on the AP exam, but to make sure you really do, learn to use your calculator thoroughly. It will only help you when you're short on time on any quiz or test. Another big piece of advice is to know how the FRQs are graded. The sooner you learn that, the better. This class is less about memorizing the equations and more about knowing how to use them in different concepts.
Always write down your work when you're answering a problem. You may be surprised how much showing your work actually helps you.
Use visualization tools such as diagrams and Desmos to have a better connection between what the question is asking and the math behind it. Drawing a picture will always help you have a better understanding of what the question is asking.
Be patient. Learn each concept thoroughly before moving forward. Calculus is like a building. Each floor must be structurally sound before moving on to building the next. You will need to master each topic thoroughly before moving on to the next one.
That's so much work, man. I'm showing you. Oh my god.